lovelies, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about skincare. More importantly, transitioning your skincare from summer products to fall products. So mainly just finding products that are a little bit heavier and or just help you get a little bit more moisture as the air gets colder, as it gets a little drier. So I personally haven't made that transition yet because here in Texas is just now starting to get a little cool, and I can still get away with using my normal products. But YesStyle was kind enough to send me their summer to fall skincare transition kit. So over the next couple weeks, I get to try out some new products. I want to go ahead and show you guys what they sent me. I have tried 4 of the products sent to me, so I will give you guys my little feedback on that as I break down what was sent. And yeah, let's jump right into this video. Starting off, you guys know I am a huge fan of double cleansing, and guess what? We got a cleansing balm. This is the cruelty-free Radiance Cleansing Balm from Beauty of Joseon. It has a sherbet-like texture that melts away any traces of makeup and impurities without stinging the eyes. It has nourishing rice bran water and grain extract to deeply moisturize and brighten the skin. I haven't used it long enough to know if that skin brightening thing is legit, but I look at it as it's a double cleanser. It's an oil cleanser, so it's just taking off whatever is on my face, whether it be makeup or just, you know, sunscreen from the day to day. And I will say it really does have a nice sherbet texture and it rinses off fairly well. I've had a couple of cleansing balms that when you put water on your face, it's just not there. It takes a lot to take it off, but this is definitely not one of them. And in ranking of some of the cleansing balms that I've used before, this one's really affordable. It comes at just under 20 bucks and a little goes a long way. So I will definitely keep using this. And you'll probably see a battle of my cleansing balms video later down the line. Next up is a toner. I know some people don't really like toner. I know there's a debate between, do you need a toner, do you not need a toner? I love toners personally. I will always love them. And not gonna lie, I kind of look sideways when I try brands or product lines that don't have a toner. I'm just like, but why though? So I was happy to see the Sun by Me Red Tea Tree Cicassoside Derma Solution Toner. So this is a low pH toner that contains 5% of red tea tree, which is used to help with skin irritations, targeting hypersensitivity and acne prone skin. So from kind of the research behind it, they're saying that with this version of tea tree, it is less likely to cause reactions. Some people, including me, are a little sensitive to traditional tea tree. So this I've been using off and on for about a week or so, and I can honestly say I haven't had any reactions to it. It doesn't dry out my skin like normal tea tree does. And aside from a couple right now, because I haven't been using it, my acne has been pretty much at bay. Also with this, it is formulated with a sub-acid PHA formula for mild dead skin cells and skin redness care. So it's gonna help exfoliate while it helps prevent breakouts. And this toner also comes out to be just under 20 bucks. Next up is Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Essence. This is a refreshing essence formulated with 100% fermented extracts from Korea and highly concentrated hyaluronic acid to deliver more moisture and nourish the skin. It features fermented black rice extract to help prevent the signs of aging by enhancing the skin's elasticity. One thing I do love about this product, the packaging. It's just so cute. It's so darn cute. I love this. But also I love how easily it goes on. Some days I don't want to deal with a watery essence, and this just glides right on. It's kind of like a jelly, very light jelly texture, and it absorbs super well. In this clip I kind of just did an initial just pass through, but on my face it absorbs like that. So I am definitely a fan of this. This is staying. This is definitely staying for me. And this one comes in at just under $16. Next, one of the products I haven't used yet, this is the Grey Melon Natural 100% Facial Oil. It's a combination of jojoba oil, apricot seed oil, and argan oil, and it's complete moisturization of the skin and a supply of nutrient intensity. So this is going to help with like protecting, holding in your moisture after you already moisturize your skin. I know with jojoba oil and argan oil, they do absorb into the skin really nicely, but personally, I would just use this after I've used a moisturizer. Again, you can use it alone as a moisturizer, but I just prefer my oils to be just at the end to seal everything in, just because that's how my skin is. I dry out. I have not used this yet, but just from the texture, it is very, very lightweight. I'm gonna hold off until it gets a little colder before I start back incorporating oils into my routine. But this is something I am looking forward to trying. It didn't feel greasy, it didn't feel sticky. It is a combination of oils, so I like that it is a blend and it's not just one product. And this will come up to be around $17. Last but not least, this is the Pareto Daily Go-To Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50+. So it says this is supposed to be their new hybrid sunscreen formulated for both chemical and physical filters, provides exponential high broadband UVA and UVB protection, and it is specifically designed for easy reapplication and effective performance when worn with makeup or by itself. So I wanted to love this. I did. I really did. I have honestly only worn it once, and I pretty much said this is my backup to my backup. Couple things. Says it's supposed to be pretty weightless. I knew it was on my skin. It felt like a normal body sunscreen to me. That's kind of how I equate if I like a facial sunscreen or not, is how lightweight it is. And it did feel like something was on my face. Also, because it does have the chemical and physical in there, it didn't completely free me of a white cast. Yeah, I could definitely, even in dim lighting, could tell that I looked a little grayed out. And if I do wear this, it would just be around the house, or again, an emergency, or if I know I'm going to be outside for a long period of time, whether I'm like exercising, taking pictures, whatever. But I honestly just wouldn't gravitate to this because it just didn't feel good for me. And I like not having a cast. So obviously if you're lighter than me, go right ahead with this. Especially if you're going to be out in the sun a lot. This is actually probably better than what I'm currently using, but again, I just don't like that feeling of the sunscreen, and you could definitely feel that this was a sunscreen. So, but if that is a sunscreen you are looking at, it's going to range you about, it's going to come in at about $20 as well. So most of these are in the same price range. So that is everything from the YesStyle summer to fall skincare transition kit. I will have the links of all the products down in the description box below, along with this code, it's also down in the description box, that you'll be able to plug into YesStyle and get a discount code. You can try out any of these, refresh some of the products if you already use them and you want more. Again, just from, I will need to like try some of these out a little bit more. Y'all know how I feel about the sunscreen. That's going in the back of the closet, but everything else I think will make a rotation and you'll probably see again on my channel. Thank you again, YesStyle, for sending me this box. You guys know I love skincare. I absolutely love skincare. So being able to branch out more, and especially into K-beauty skincare, I am 100% for it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for hopefully sticking to the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when is the next time I upload. Again, all the promo codes, links to the products are down in the description box below. If you guys have any other product suggestions, more specifically K-beauty skincare suggestions, let me know in the comments down below, as I do want to broaden out a little bit with that. I am actually about to go wash off the little bit of makeup I have with the cleansing balms. So until next time, bye.